Zach's here now, so we're gonna head up to Info Centre, which is like the start of Everglades, and it'll be a really nice ride because the wind is just non-existent. Good, thanks. Alright, we're at Info Centre. We're just gonna eat some food, go to the toilet, and then we'll go set up camp. It's just at Fig Tree Point. It's not that far up the river, it's just not far at all. We're heading up to camp now. We're just going to drop all our stuff off, and if Cam hasn't shown up yet, we'll go up for a little flick just up a little bit further. Alright, we're just setting up camp now.
He was on the table.
Oh, where is he? There he is. Camp's right there. I chucked a little eco prawn on. Alright, Cam's got a bit lost, so I'm gonna go find him. Alright, I'll be back. Found him.
How lovely. Lee.
The bush turkeys got into the food. Oh my god! Look on the bottom of that. Where's the little bugger? Oh, not good. That's up and go there.
I don't know him.
You put it here and then.
That's my chance.
So you put it on the crust side.
Oh, so it's disguised. Yeah, gotcha.
Oh,
Alright, taste test.
Alright, after we finish eating, we're just gonna set up camp. Turns out we can't camp here. It's a little day use area. So we're just moving our camp just over there. Alright, camp take 2. Alright, we made it out of there. It was pretty hectic. There was boats, kayaks everywhere. So we're just gonna head up a tiny bit further and go for a little fish. Hooked onto a fish. Catfish. I'm just gonna move just around the corner now because it's a bit skinnier and a little more shade too. I might go with a little cicada after. lure. I just bought it. I really don't want to lose it, so I'm gonna try everything I can to get down. I can see it. Got it. So happy with that. Gonna go a bit further up now. We're moving. I'll wake up in the morning, there'll be a goanna just beside me. They got into our top secret rubbish bag. We tied up.
We could put that up last day.
Yeah. Come on, Cam. Eating white shark. We're heading to another spot now. It's getting kind of late, getting ready for dinner time soon. First gonna go up there, have a little flick. If we don't get anything, if there's no attention pretty quick, probably just come home, come back to camp and have a little rest. I've had no luck with lures, so I'm switching to bait.
I think he got released. Tiny.
Alright, heading back to camp now. Gonna cook us some sausages for dinner and then have an early night, go to bed.
What else is in here?
Would it be if a blue bull shark came out of the water, grabbed Lee, bloody brought up right in your face?
Wasn't it like halfway?
So the birds probably took it out.
I think that might be one there. Not the one laying in there, but it's the one after it.
Anything. Oh, it snapped. Oh, it did it really.
Very good.
Got it.
Alright, I think it's connected. This feels too light. What is it?
Anything?
My birds.
Yeah. Alright, good morning. I had a nice little sleep last night. Had some warm drink and gonna pack up this tents a bit later on. We're just gonna head down and eat breakfast at the info centre. Bring a little cooker and then we have little bacon sandwiches down there because Cam forgot eggs, so I was having bacon sandwiches, no eggs. Alright, the bush turkeys ate all of the bread because we left it out. So we have wraps, no sauce, and bacon. No eggs.
So it's a BLT without the L and the T.
Yeah, and we've eaten brekkie, and now I'm just gonna head back to camp and pack up and put everything in the boat, and then I've got to head all the way back to Noosa, so that'll take a little while. Well, I made it back. I didn't catch any bass, but they do slow down a lot in the winter, so it's not all my fault. But other than that, see you next time.